Crispy chicken donuts in the air fryer. This is about 350 grams of chicken keema, some dried parsley, onion granules, garlic granule, mixed dried herb. This has basil, thyme and oregano, black pepper, red chili flakes, salt, mozzarella cheese, panko breadcrumbs. Mix everything. I forgot to add paprika. This is ready. Oil your hand and make donuts. I'm gonna make all of them. I've made all of them. Now I'm gonna put these in the freezer for 1 hour. I've taken these out of the freezer. I'm gonna coat them with the egg first and then the breadcrumbs. I've coated all of them. Now take your air fryer basket. Place the chicken donuts in. Oil spray them or you can brush them with oil. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna flip these. Oil spray them. I'm gonna air fry these for another 10 minutes. These are ready.